Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Metabeat. Now Metabeat just got listed on CoinGecko, I think about 2 days ago or so. Ticker symbol is BEAT. Today this token is up 35.5%, sitting at 7.5 cents per token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Metabeat, all one word. Like I said, it's up 35.5%. Their official webpage is metabeat.foundation. You can find the price chart, contract address, webpage on CoinGecko, along with their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, and GitHub. So how do you get this token? It is listed on a central exchange called KuCoin. So basically you would just download KuCoin, KuCoin, from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or your PC. And then open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BEAT, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, if you head to their official webpage, you can find info on the Metabeat platform, contact information, frequently asked questions, upcoming events. You could download their app, and they have a full white paper that you could check out as well. So it says, today's arts and music industry is more intricate and dynamic than ever, propelled by capitalism and technological development. As online communication and content consumption exploded, digital native K-pop music became a global trend and instituted massive global fandoms. Leading K-pop producers are reshaping their business models and quickly adopting platform-based models to stay competitive and provide a more progressive experience to the fans. Artists, fans, and fandom communities are striving to build a relationship-driven, value-creating system focused on sharing symbiosis. The Metabeat platform is an incentivization community platform powered by fan activities, rewarded by a set criteria. The Fanoments Index, creators, artists, and fans grow as partners through engagements and rewards on the Metabeat platform. Metabeat equals Metaverse plus Beat. The Metabeat platform is built around NFT creations, participants, and rewards. With a growing number of NFT creations and users on the platform, the partnerships between creators and artists and fans strengthen through the positive experience of symbiosis fueled by the Metabeat ecosystem that reflects values and contributions by users in the Metabeat communities. So the project overview is on their white paper, token ecosystem, Metabeat revenue model, roadmap, token details, tokenomics, team advisors, partners. You can change the language also to Korean if you want to read a Korean white paper. The Metabeat platform is a fan community platform, primarily K-pop entertainment. Users may join fan communities created on the platform in support of selected artists in particular entertainment products, for example, a particular concert tour, album, etc. These fan communities are created by Metabeat on the platform based on certain intellectual property, IP, assets that is owned, licensed by Metabeat. Users can link their social media accounts to the platform and post contents on the platform. All users, regardless of whether they own or stake NFTs and or tokens, are able to participate in these social communities, for example, by sharing contents. So Metabeat will, in collaboration with artists, create and sell NFTs through tokens on the platform. Such NFTs have specific rights attached to them, like concert tickets, backstage passage, entitling the holders to receive a souvenir from the artists, etc. The platform may also hold and promote auction events on specific NFT releases from time to time. One specific type of NFT created and sold in the Metabeat platform will be based on a specific IP owned by Metabeat. So in the project overview, they go over the Metabeat solution, the service platform, Metabeat function layer, Metabeat scalability, all that type of stuff. The token ecosystem, basically the utilities can be used by the creator, the artist, the fan, or the user, or outside the platform. How is the Metabeat token obtained? Well, you can earn it through rewards from community NFT ownership under the hold and stake feature. Staking rewards, shout-out programs, rewards, and selling NFTs on the marketplace. And you can buy it from centralized exchanges in the future, or even now from KuCoin. And what is it used for? NFT auctions, staking, purchasing your favorite creators, artists, NFTs, voting privileges, and transactional costs for buying and selling NFTs and receiving rewards. So they have sections on the drops, shoutouts, their Mingle app, marketplace. So the revenue model goes over holders, rewards, stakers, marketplace, original holders' rights, and roadmap, starting with service planning, pre-production, business partnership, Metabeat app MVP, community build-up on Twitter, Instagram, Medium, and Discord, IMC planning, RBW music IP contract, DSP music IP, and WM music IP contract. Then Metabeat app closed beta, operating the community, artists fan club, TV broadcasting sponsorships, producing content on TV, music IP contract. Then we're going all the way, okay, so here we are now at Q3 2022, Metabeat app launch, update, shoutout, service, staking service, Beat token minting, NFT minting, operating community, shoutout promotion, blockchain community platforms, music IP contract, and then collectible NFTs launchpad, content expansion, taxation module, operating community, marketing with the artists and labels, producing new content. Very lengthy roadmap here. Next year, we're going to have Metaverse concert launch, minting fan-created contents, Web3 DAO service model integration, and producing more content and music IP contracts. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Metabeat? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you guys check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.